Hey, it's Sabrina WID, and I can't see. I got my notes because it's time for an update. I just want to say the direction that this channel is gonna go in since I'm being dead ass about it now. So this video specifically, it's gonna be in two halves. So this first part, I'm just gonna talk a little bit. Then the second part, I'm gonna do a little DIY and I'll get more onto that. Basically, I wanna upload every 2 weeks. And as time goes on, I'm gonna build up to that more. And these new videos, they're gonna be DIYs, kind of like the one I'm gonna do. Some content and stuff that I think of, and maybe vlogs. Maybe, I don't know, people have told me to vlog because apparently I live a interesting life, but I don't know. With the DIYs, I kind of want to make a series, and it's not it's not a step-by-step DIY. Basically, I just want to record me making stuff because I just find that really fun. And I thought of a really cute name for the series. It'll be WID DIYs. I think that's just so I don't know. They're kind of experiments in a way, I feel like. I mean, some things I'm just gonna sit and sew. And I don't know if you've seen it yet. Another decade, the site has updated. So I'm so happy, I'm so confident with the way it looks. It was time to change. It's just time to upgrade things. Starting to get back to this. And I don't know if you notice with this video, in the corners it's kind of a little dark and blurry because I'm using a lens and it doesn't really fit the iPhone 8 camera very well. I'm gonna invest into a new lens for my phone very soon so you could get that crisp clear A1, but we're just working with what we have right now. It's just the beginning. Things will get better. At the outro, I put my Instagram. That's my Instagram. I'm not very social media, to be honest. I'm a post once a week, at least once a week. But I do enjoy making stories on there. I used to make really good Snapchat stories. So if y'all wanna stay up to date in that way, and what do I post? I don't know, I post me in outfits, and then something I'm doing or in my room. Something always just happens to me. Oh yeah, my notes are right here. I guess that's really all in this chatting. Let's get into the quick little DIY that I've been wanting to make. I have a pile of things I just want to make. Wait, have y'all ever seen have you ever seen a pumi? They're the cutest dogs ever, and I really want one. So now we're in a new set called Side of the Bed. Naruto poster and Bruce Lee. This DIY is, it's an iron-on, but it's not any iron-on. It's a Pillsbury Doughboy Wake Up Club from 1988. That is some clickbait I would click on. I'm into that stuff. I'm gonna go get the stuff. I only wanted to make one trip. Do we need it taller than that? Yeah, we do. This is as tall as it goes. Doughboy iron-on transfer. Identify yourself as a Doughboy Wake Up Club member with the help of an adult. Directions. Be sure to have an adult to help you. For best results, use light colored t-shirt, at least 50% polyester. I feel like it'll look dope on a black shirt. So, let's see if that works. Probably at the end I'm gonna be crying and be like, follow the rules. Place a sheet of paper inside t-shirt so the transfer doesn't go through the back of the shirt. It's not like it's ink. Actually, go get some paper. Got him. I think I'm gonna do it right here. I wanna do it right here, like next to a pocket. What if I did it on the pocket? That'd be dope. Use a dry setting on the iron, approximately 400 degrees heat, which is between wool and cotton. I have a plug right here. Should I do it on the pocket or the shirt? I feel like on the pocket it would be so like different, and then on the side it'll look so like different too. Honestly, nobody's doing this. I feel like if it goes like on the pocket in here, maybe like it'll like start peeling or something. I don't even know how iron-ons work. I've never done one. I just put it all the way up. Wait, is that bad though? Do we iron the shirt first? So, place transfer face down on the shirt and fasten it with masking tape. Man, what's with all this stuff? Wait, once I tape it, I can't see it. I need another paper and some tape. I kind of want to do it on the pocket. It would be so cool, like, ain't nobody got this shirt. BRB. Okay, I know they said masking tape, but we ain't got that. You know what? This tape is probably gonna melt. Is it gonna transfer the game on the back too? Can you iron paper? Is that bad? When do you know it's done? Maybe it's a lie. I'm gonna have to look at a video on how to do an iron-on because I don't. This is the first time I've done one. They make it look so easy. I think I should have listened when they said use a white shirt, because as you could see, I think it was like actual ink. Like you could see his outline a little bit, and then darn it, I thought the whole thing was gonna like come off, not like some ink. That's why I wanted to record things, to see if it flops. Not every DIY will be a flop. That one, it was like an experiment. That's what happens. I'm gonna cut it very short. I was literally doing that for like 30 minutes. See you in 2 weeks. Good luck, Charlie. I'm still bummed. I was a head ass. I should have used the white shirt.